Got inventory sitting in storage? Not sure how to list it or how to price it? With SemiMarket, selling your inventory is simple. Meet the Easy Seller Kit. 5 powerful tools to help you sell easier and faster. Our remarketing service can take care of everything for you. Simply choose where inventory should be managed. Move it to SemiMarket or keep it at your site. From cataloging, valuation, listings, promotion, and logistics. Our OCR technology automatically identifies your items and extracts key information. Coming soon, Item Identifier turns unstructured listings into optimized item data, including manufacturer names, model details, and fair market value pricing. Your item is then recommended to relevant buyers with higher purchase intent. Once your item is ready, you can also move forward with online bidding. Instead of negotiating with one buyer at a time, online bidding lets multiple buyers compete, so you can choose the best offer. Backed by 26 years of industry data, SemiMarket supports accurate valuation and seamless listing preparation. With verified buyers and trusted company data, every transaction becomes more reliable. Start selling today, or request a remarketing consultation.